Good morning to you all, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you find yourself in this free world of ours. Coronavirus is all over the planet, guys, but we are still making them pips. So I've got another free analysis for you guys today. We are going to be looking at EURJPY, and we will be doing our launch of our YouTube channel this week. So this will be the free analysis, the first one of many to come, and there's going to be a certain way that we will be doing them. We're going to be looking at the fundamentals first, because the whole thing about the Liberation Network is we trade the fuller picture. You can't just trade on the fundamental front, you can't just trade on the technical front, and you have to incorporate the psychology as well. Now, I can teach you the fundamentals and the technicals, but the psychology is something that you learn over time, and it is also implemented in our course, our lifetime membership. So please make sure to go check that out. But without further ado, let's get into this video. Guys, first of all, fundamentally, we know that the Japanese yen is a pretty strong currency at the moment, for the simple reason that the Bank of Japan has exhausted all of their quantitative easing, and they've done everything they could possibly do to keep the economy afloat. On the other hand, the ECB, the Eurozone Central Bank, they were very unclear with their message last week. Like when we had the ECB interest rate decision, there were some comments coming out to saying that they're not worried about the euro. And then on the Thursday, they actually came out, other members actually came out and said they will be monitoring the euro's price against its peers, which is a very big euro negative. And that's why we're not seeing any flows at the moment into euro. And that's why I believe that we are going to be seeing some Japanese strength against the euro. Now, technically, what we have from a weekly perspective is we have this impulse in the market. So after we have an impulse in the market, we want to see a correction, right? So we have a rally and a correction, okay? And then the second one, we have it again, we have a rally, and now we need to see a correction at least down to our previous level of support. Now, this was a level of resistance, and resistance broken through becomes support. So this is the rule, guys. When we have a level of resistance in a market, as soon as that level of resistance is broken, it does become support, okay? That is how the rule works. Just a quick reminder to go check out our Instagram page, go like and follow our YouTube channel, subscribe guys, push that like button, and go join our free Telegram group, guys. Go onto our website, press on the Telegram icon, join our free group and get free potential setups every single day. See you there. So we know that we have a rally in the market and we want to see a correction down to our previous level of support. Okay, now that is on a weekly time frame. On a daily time frame, trading view, as always, very slow. All right, on a daily time frame, this is what we currently have. Okay, so we have a market that is forming kind of like this head and shoulders pattern. Okay, so we have right over here our left shoulder, over here we have our head, and almost 90% of the time, guys, the left or the right shoulder will be lower than the left. Okay, so we have this market, and as soon as this level breaks, obviously that would be a nice opportunity to take a short down to our previous level of resistance, now becoming support over here. Now you can enter the market at this point where it is at the moment, but that would be much riskier. That's why I have this on over here. Okay, so from a daily perspective, we are still short on this pair as well. And what we will be doing with our members in our lifetime membership course, we will actually be monitoring this currency in this specific zone that it is right now for on the 4-hour time frame to look whether our entry will be valid based on our rules. So we have specific rules that are set out in our course, and we will be looking at those rules and whether they're satisfied, then we will take a very nice short with a very good risk rewards, at least a 1 to 2, always actually looking for a 1 to 3. And that is what we will be looking at with our members. Guys, please remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Like the video, it really does help the creation of more. And then I'll see you guys in the next one.